Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for cooperating me and inspiring this channel to grow day by day. So today I have written a very simple question from JEE main question. It is based on logarithm and very simple logarithm. So anyone can solve it only if you know the principle of logarithm. So what I'll do, I'll write E 5 whole into log base x base e square plus 3 all are in power or exponent x to the power 8. Now what I'll do, I'll take log both the sides. You know that exponential and logarithm are inverse to each other. So to remove this e, I can take log. So it will be 5 log x base e whole square plus 3 equals to log x8. So when I am taking log x8, that means I am taking base e. So this is nothing but your 8 log x base e. So simple. Now what I'll take log x base e as t. So the whole equation is written in equation will be 5t square plus 3 equals to 80. Simple. Now taking to left hand side, I'll get 5t square minus 8t plus 3 equals to 0. So this is a simple quadratic equation. I can solve in t. 5t square minus 5t minus 3t plus 3 equals to 0. Or taking 5t common, I'll get t minus 1 minus 3 common t minus 1 equals to 0, or simply I'll get t minus 1 into 5t minus 3 equals to 0. You will try, you can proceed now, it's not that difficult now. So t minus 1 is 0. This gives you t equals to 1. What is t? T equals to log x base e equals to 1. That means this gives me x is equals to e. Now for second option, 5t minus 3 equals to 0. So this gives us t equals to 3 by 5. So log x base e equals to 3 over 5. What does it mean? X is equals to e to the power 3 by 5. So one solution is x equals to e power 3 by 5 and one is x e power 1. So the question is find the product of all solution. So product of solution will be e raised to the 5 into e to the power 1. Similarly, e to the power, this will be 8 by 5. So I have not written the solutions. So 4 options were given. I didn't mention this option. So this option should be correct. So thank you. So keep subscribing and watching the video. Thank you.